Hello everyone. So in this video we would see how to implement best first search algorithm using Python. Okay, so best first search is an informed search algorithm where we need the information about the goal node, right? So heuristic cost is very important in this kind of search. So let's see the graph we'll be using. So here is the graph where A is connected to B and C, and B is connected to D and E, and C to F, D to G, like this. And these are the heuristic values of each and individual nodes. And we'll also import heap push and heap pop from heap queue, because we'll be using min heap for our for the data structure to control the whole traversed and visited nodes for the base first search. So let's define the BFS function, and let's pass the argument of graph, our start node, goal node, and heuristics, right? Okay, now initialize an empty array as PQ, then heap push. In PQ we'll push these numbers as heuristic value of our start node, and with that also our start node and an empty path. Okay, also initialize an empty visited set. Now simply while PQ we have to extract the data from our PQ. So heuristic cost, then let's say current, and our path to, then heap pop, extract the values from our PQ. Okay, now here is the thing: if our current is similar to the goal, then we'll simply return the path plus current, right? Then another condition, if the current is invisited, we'll continue this code. Continue. Now let's visited dot add the current. It will be visited, so visited dot add current. Then for, let's say, for the neighbor in graph dot get graph of, actually graph dot get will get the value of our current node and the path of it. And simply if the neighbor not in visited, then simply again heap push to heuristics. So heuristics of our neighbor, and pass the neighbor value and also path plus current, right? And now define our main function. Here let's say start is A, and our goal, let's say I'm keeping it I, now if the path, now here we have to call a function. So path, we are passing our argument as graph start goal heuristics, then simply you print a path. Now it will be simply print the path, right? And for the entry point we would give underscore name main. We give the entry point. Let's see. Okay, so ACFHI. So that would be the answer of the BFS of page first search algorithm. So yeah, thanks for watching.